Hello, good afternoon. Andeerson Wong here. Today is June 18. We'll speak to you about what to do after COVID-19. Now it's called post-COVID-19. So we have a few products to choose from. What product to trade? All right. A lot of people in trading right now. So we would like to give you a brief what product is suitable to trade for the post-COVID-19. Yeah, the landscape already changed a little bit, so we have to understand what product we can trade today. All right. First of all, now we want to compare stock, indices, futures, gold, options, as well as currency. So we need to fully understand what's the plus and minus for each product. All right. This is some of my brief background introduction, so maybe everybody can take a look about myself. Not everybody know me. Maybe this is the first time you know me, so this is my video. I've been recording quite a number of videos for WikiFX, for all the YouTube channel, as well as for my website. So everybody can go to Google to search Andeerson Wong with double E. Then you can see a lot of video being posted. All right. So this is also my background a little bit. So also provide consultation service to new broker or existing broker, because a lot of broker currently running a loss because of the market competitions, overrun of the cost, and so on and so forth. So a lot of small broker which is not well run. So I'm being appointed by them to give them a consultations to show them how to do broker recovery service or client recovery service. Alright, the first item or first topic we like to talk about the stock. Okay, for stock market, there is a many stock market around the world, from US, UK, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Singapore, Malaysia, even Thailand, Indonesia, and so forth. So what stock we need to trade? All right, this is a major concern. First, stock. First, there's a lot of disadvantage to trade stock. Let us take a look. What is that? All right. First of all, is the selection of stock. Select stock. How do you select stock? What criteria you select stock? You select based on rumors, you select based on fundamental, company profile, company performance, or company outlook. A lot of companies not really making money. More than 50% of the publicly listed company around the world is not making money. So you understand how many money will be sucked into the financial world, and the money is stagnant there, right? Because if one company raise, let's say 100 million or 500 million or 1 billion, so if the market IPO time they take this money, then the rest is all the risk being passed to shareholders. So it's not really matters to the company owner, because the risks are very passed to you. First of all, it's a select stock. Okay, so there's a major concern. So this is the way you need to know what stock you choose, what really stock. Okay, then selection of stock is very important. Is the IT stock, fundamental stock, rubber glove stock, internet stock, so and so forth, right? Secondly is, for stock you need to sell first. You cannot buy and hold. You need to sell. Right? But a lot of people, when you need to buy and hold, let's say you buy a bank stock, then you hold. If the bank stock go down and stagnant there for 2 years, what happened to your capital? Your capital is stuck there for 2 years. Understand? Alright? So this is disadvantage of stock. So if you see, let's say you buy a stock $100 and now drop to 80, will you hold? Definitely you hold. There is psychology of traders, of stock traders. You hold. Drop to 60, you hold. Drop to 40, you hold. Drop to 20, you hold. Drop to $10, you hold. Drop to $5, you hold. Because there is a normal psychology of stock trader. Hold and pray. Okay, this is the way they trade stock. Right? Why? Because even later I talk about unit trust, then you know why. There is human psychology. Okay, trade stock you need to have big capital. Yeah, sure. Let's say you have few hundred, few thousand. I think forget about stock. You don't have, let's say US dollar about 10,000 or above. forget about stock. All right, forget it. All right, then a lot of bad company. I mentioned 50% of the company is losing money. All right, badly run, management, a lot of problem, a lot of corruption, a lot of accounting scandal as well. But a lot of them not report to you, right? Like a share directors, okay, share director of a public listed company. Any good deal, they will use personal company or group company, personal interest company to do a deal. The last person who absorb the project or the deal is the public listed company. So before that, they will do a lot of transfer profit, profit transfers from A to B to C. But at last, the last deal absorbed the deal is D. D is a public listed company. This been happen to a lot of public listed company, and it's not wrong, isn't it? But no company will disclose the real trade secret or trade deal to shareholders. Okay, all right. Selection of best entry price. What price is considered cheap? $10, $8, $6. If you enter $8 and drop to $6, I should buy 6. But you enter 6, it dropped to 4. Maybe I should buy at 4. Right? So this is all the consequences. Nobody knows when is the best price to enter. All right. And second, lastly, there is no money to do cost average down. Yeah. Let's say you buy 6, so let's drop to 4. You can buy a second round. So you can do cost averaging to $5 per share. But a lot of people just buy one time and hold and pray. But they don't have second round of capital to do cost average. This is a very bad story in stock market. Everywhere is the same. Yeah, not from Asia to US. Okay, then the last one is what price to take profit. Right? Maybe you make some money, you buy at 10, go to 12, they say, maybe go to 13, I hold, go to 14, I hold, go to 15, you hold. But due to one news from $15 drop back to $8. All right, whatever, due to change of market sentiment, change of the sector price, this and that. So everything will be bad because people are greedy. All right. So let's say you sell at 12, then suddenly the price go to 30. Like, I shouldn't exit so early, right? So this is many disadvantage of stock, right? Second product, we talk about unit trust, right? Unit trust, what is the unit trust concern? All right, why we don't trade unit trust? And a lot of people sell you unit trust. Why they sell you unit trust? All right, okay, 80% unit trust company lost money. The fund is losing money, not the company. The company made good money, but the fund is losing money. Let's say you buy 10,000, 20,000 of unit trust, whatever counter, bond fund, whatever, equity fund, foreign fund, China fund, US fund, IT fund, they lost money. Why? Because they keep on stay on the fund because you already committed to a fund company, unit trust company. As long as they can make your annual fee and upfront fee, as long as you not exit, they charge you, keep on charging 2.5%. So about 40 years, your fund will be zero, right? So you know how much been stay and become a dead money in unit trust company, more than, if roughly figure, okay, easily 300 billion worldwide, okay, and not pertaining to any country, worldwide. So the money is stuck there, so it becomes a non-productive money. The money is dead, right? So a lot of people lost money. So, of course, the high maintenance fee and the fee is not related to performance. No unit trust in the world is related to performance, right? Yeah, as long as they can charge you 2.5% and the 5% whatever fee, management fee or upfront fee, they're more than happy to handle your account, right? Because if you exit, it's your loss. They don't mind, right? Because there's no performance fee. Why they don't fix the performance fee? If they fix the performance fee, they will go bankrupt because the 10 years cannot perform. I even saw a fund, 10 years only make 3% over the 10 years. Not every year 3%, it's 10 years 3%. Much worse than your FD, fixed deposit. Let's say your fixed deposit is 3%. 10 years you make 30% plus compounding effect, 35-36%, right? But unit trust company make 10 years 3%. With now Covid-19 and the big drop, I think even 20 years they are not able to break even. So you know how much the fund? You are not the info about 400 million. 400 million been stuck there, non-productive money hanging in the world. Okay, there's only one fund. How about in the whole wide world, we have more than 10,000 funds worldwide, right? Easily, if the fund is performing, you need to wait 3 to 5 years to break even. That is normal fund with profit. Yeah, the profit, let's say 5%, 3%. Okay, so you know after you deduct this fee and that fee, then you know how much is left over to you, and plus the depreciation of your currency, right? So sometimes you buy a fund based on US dollar, Sing dollar, Ringgit Malaysia, or Taiwan dollar, or Hong Kong dollar. But during your exit time, you need to suffer currency risk. So there is a loss again. All right. Then FM never give strategy briefing. That's true. A lot of fund, when they launch, you never see fund manager give you briefing. Only who give you opener ceremony, the business development manager or main director, the company, this and that. Where is fund manager? You see, there's a lot of difference between unit trust in US. US fund manager will give you a briefing, but in Asia, no, never. So far, I never see even one. Okay. Sometimes bank also sell you unit trust, right? Where is the fund manager that handle this fund? They will give you a briefing face to face or in public or in any seminar room. Never. Okay. Then when they are lost, they never tell the fund holder what plan they have, what they want to do, right? They ask you to wait from 1 year. They say, okay, sir, this is called long-term investment. So you wait 5 years. After 5 years, still not break even. They say, sir, this is a long-term investment. 10 years. After 10 years, sir, this is very long-term investment. Then you wait 30 years. Then after 50 years, you die. So you pass to the next generation to keep on holding this money. All right, if there is still a money. All right. So that's why unit trust is one of the worst performing industry in the whole financial world. All right. The next one is called gold. Gold we divide to 2 sections. One is called physical gold. One is called online gold. Yeah. First, we talking about gold, then secondly we talk about online gold. Physical gold, very simple. You go to any gold shop or goldsmith, then you can buy a bar, 100 gram, 50 gram, 1 gram, 1 kilo. If you have a lot of money, then you put under your pillow and put in a safe. All right, that is very simple. But the bad thing about physical gold is when you want to sell, you can see the handling fee about 30 to 35%. So you make 40% gain minus 35%. Actually, you only make 5% gain after 5 years, whatever amount. Yeah. So this is bad investment. So don't hold physical gold. This is very, very bad. Unless you want to hold 20 years, then fine. Then fine. Secondly is the online trading gold. Online trading gold products. Yeah. So currently it's $1,000 over per ounce. So this is good, but you need to have a very good skill to trade because market is very volatile and highly volatile in market today because now it's post COVID-19. A lot of economy is not certain, in recovery mode, this and that. So end of the day, I can tell you a lot of traders is not making good money in gold trading. It's not like last time from 1,002 drop go up to 1,007. Now 1,007 level, they will go up further. I think so. Yeah, but based on your skill. But now it's floating about 1,007, 1,000 plus. Yeah, so it's floating here and there. So provided you got some big capital, you can hold a position, or else you can do a short-term trade or scalping. All right, forex can use for scalping. Yeah. Then the spread, a lot of broker give you high spread. There is one thing you need to take care. So good thing is of course 1 or 2 broker can give you low spread. So this is how the whole market is for gold. Then futures. Yeah, I also teach people to trade Dow Jones futures, Hong Kong futures, A50 and so forth. So for futures good to trade, but there's some small issue. Let us take a look. First of all, is 90% of the traders don't have trading skill. True, because a lot of unit trust manager, even they study PhD, CF, certified financial analyst, CFA, this and that. And the day they cannot make money in real world. Okay, I saw so many CFA so-called analysts. They only analyze. Their job is analysts. They are not trader. All right. A lot of people think CFA is a trader. CFA is analyst. You analyze. That's it. You are not person execute. So a lot of report being written by the banks, security firm, this and that, by analysts. So if broker A say this is good, then broker B say yeah, this is good too. Yeah. So if one person wrong, the whole gang going wrong, right? Nobody want to do the opposite way. All right. Later I tell you the major news later. All right. So skill is not easy to handle. Then secondly, which one to choose? You want to trade Dow Jones, Hong Kong, A50, Singapore index, whatever index. Do you have the skill? Do you understand the market fundamental, the underlying assets? Yeah. Then even just now I mentioned unit trust company also lost money on index trading. So you can see as a normal trader like what you are right now, you are not CFA, all right? You are not so-called professional trader. You can see even professional traders losing money. So you must be better than them in terms of skill. I don't think you like to study 4 years for CFA, right? Or 3 years for CFA, right? That's a tough job. But I can tell you a lot of CFA losing money right now. Right? Next product called currency, called online trading. You trade gold, we trade Euro, you trade USD, we trade GBP, we trade yen, and the rest. Yeah. So I'm a mentor for Forex, index, and binary options. Major these 3 areas. So what's the disadvantage? Disadvantage is 95% of trader never attend proper education or hand-on education. This is my concern. And the 99% of them trade like gambling. So they never go to any proper education. So they put $1,000 trade, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell. After 1 week they lost all the money. They wait for the second month. Salary come out, they put another $1,000 and do a gambling. Repeat the same process, and hopefully they make money, right? When they make money, their Facebook will do a lot of capture screen, post, today I make so much, so happy, today go to have a wine, this and that, right? But when they lost money, they were quiet for the rest of the month, alright? So this is how the real market is. Then, of course, a lot of traders not learn in a very proper way. Even then, the teacher not give them mentorship program. Like myself, I give 3 months mentorship program. So I guide you step by step, hand on. All right. So it's easy to learn. I think it's quite easy to learn, but you need to committed to the trade and to the how do you pick up the skill is step by step. Then of course a lot of people lazy to trade. They say trading is very difficult. So they heard this fund manager is good, that fund manager is good, whatever is good, the signal is correct, this and that. Then they go to participate. Then they give money to third party, this and that. Just follow the signal. They buy, sell. Just for information, a lot of scam out there. Alright, so that sometimes they say, oh, your money lock out, 3 months cannot take out, 1 month cannot take out, 6 months cannot take out, and the rest. All lockup is called illegal under any central bank of the world. When your money lock up by any broker or any whatever third party is illegal, provided you sign a contract. And the contract mentions this broker have a capacity and the legal right to hold your account and not allow you to withdraw 3 months or 6 months or a year. Okay, but normally that is illegal. So you hear anybody tell you 6 months cannot take out, then whatever, or 3 months cannot take out, or 1 month cannot take out, then you know hanky-panky is there. Okay, so too many people fall to the scam as well. All right, a lot of small broker, they say they are good, they are this, they are that, mostly scam as well, because now broker losing money. So instead of your money in segregation account, they will take your segregation account money and put in the company operation account, and they use your money. And when you want to withdraw, they tell you your document ready, your error, submission problem, computer breakdown, this, that. If anything, more than 3 working days or to 4 working days is not reaching your account, then you know this company is gone. Right? Another way to scam you very easy. When you withdraw 500,000, 2,000, fine, everything looks smooth. You draw 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000, and you see this broker shaking because they don't have fund into their account to pay you back, because they already fully utilized the segregation account money. By right, your money should be segregation account and do monthly audit. But please ask yourself, how many broker out there is do monthly audit and certified by audit firm, and the audit firm is reliable audit firm, not their friends, right? Second last is stock option and index option. I believe a lot of people also go to attend some seminar, or broker provide you so-called free course on stock options, right? I think this is a good, but let us look at the disadvantage. Got call, got put, you can buy call, sell put, this and that. A little bit confusing for the public, but let us take a look. What is the advantage? Time lock. So for option, you got 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. Okay, so which time lock you want to choose? 1 month, maybe too early. 6 months too far. 3 months is okay. But you see today economy changing very fast, right? Today this week market hot about IT stock. Next week they're hot about glove stock. Next week they're hot about whatever stock, whatever sector. So if you buy a stock in IT, and after 1 month let's say you expect the price to go up, then you can make some good option, call option, right, to make profit. But it doesn't go anywhere, and maybe it drop a little bit or drop a lot, because the market change so fast. Even your 1 month contract is too long, right? So is it any broker give you 1 week contract, 3 days contract, right? The shorter the better, right? If there is a momentum in the market. But however, the contract that you trade is still long term. In our eye is long term. Anything more than a month is called long term. All right. Secondly is exercise. Normally by middle of the month you don't do your exercise or the contract. You wait for expiry and then either profit or loss. All right. So a lot of trader I can see their loss. Let's say they'll make first month, second month, third month. The fourth month they lost, 3 months. So every month they lost 30%, 40%, 30%, 40%. So easily their account will be fully burned out after 3 consecutive or 4 consecutive months of losses. So then they say this is not good. But you see, selection of stock or the market share is based on your understanding, right? The fundamental, the outlook, the price expectations. That is why you need to decide, should I buy a call or buy a put, right? Then of course, a lot of people also trade like gambling for stock, right? So yeah, because you pay a premium, but the premium is not cheap though, right? Not cheap, yeah. Then need to purchase market share. Let's say you want to sell a put option. Let's say you sell a put option for Amazon. Then you need to buy Amazon share. Amazon share costs you how much? Then you check it out. Wow, few $100 per share, 100 shares. Then become a rich man game again. So you don't have $50,000 in your pocket. Don't trade to do sell put options. Yeah. Who do a lot of sell put option? Warren Buffett is a major one. Even then, right? Warren Buffett lost a lot of money in airline stock. Of course, he also do put option, right? Right. So yeah, true. A lot of time you need a lot of money to buy market share. This is a bad thing for small public traders. Then binary options. Binary option almost same like stock option, but this binary up or down call, you can trade within 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever. So what's the disadvantage? Trade like gambling. A lot of people I see they lost a lot of money trade binary option like, because I teach binary option in Thailand, Indonesia, Philippines and others country. So I know what product to trade, how to trade within 1 minute chart, right? 1 minute lot. There is a very highly skilled products, binary option. You can make a lot of money. 1 month, 100% is not difficult. But skill wise, you need to attend very high skill mentoring class. Okay, which time frame to use? Then no proper skill. What product to trade? Yeah, what product you can trade based on stock, index, currency, gold, whatever, oil. many product. What product to trade? There are a lot of technical thing to handle. There's a lot of understanding part to handle in order for you to understand what product is best to trade within 1 minute, what product best to trade for 5 minutes and 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Then a lot of scam broker. I heard too many scam broker out there. A lot of people say, Anderson, I cannot withdraw money from this broker, that broker. I say, how much? 1,000. If 1,000, they will pay you. But about 10,000. I said, no. Your account. Same thing, they use the same skills, your paper, your ID got concerned, your passport concerned, your bank account concerned, your submission concerned. They say, oh, got small area here, there, here, there, here, there. And the day your money cannot come back. Very normal, because public in Asia, even worldwide, not many people have financial education. Right? I don't think any secondary school got financial education worldwide today, because the elite of the world, the top 0.1% of the world don't want you to know the top secret of financial. Yeah, so they can make your money, right? Simple, right? Simple. Then 10 advantage to trade Forex. Forex first, low capital. You can start from as low as $100. You can trade very small lot size. You can learn well. There's a lot of room to learn. Okay. Then like course, you got mentorship program. You got hand-on class. You got video conferencing, like I teach China student, Hong Kong student, Australia student, Singapore student, even US, UK student, all using online one-to-one. So they can really do their practical and ask me anything. Just now before I start this session, I just had a video conferencing with a Singapore student, right? Then why trade Forex market? Because Forex is the biggest market in the world, $7 trillion turnover a day, 1 day. But compared to others market, 22.4 B, 10 B, 18 B, 7 B, too small. This is 7 trillion. T, Thailand, okay? Thailand, Terengganu is 7 trillion a day. So you want to make money, go for money market, biggest money market, all right? That is the rule of thumb. Then of course you need to select a good broker with licensed broker from Australia, US, UK, and Germany, this and that. Select a proper licensed broker. Okay. Then how to start? Yeah, of course you can start from a demo account. I'll guide you step by step. Then after you got some basic understanding, then you can enroll for the class. Then also step by step do a hand-on project. Yeah, take this as a project. Give yourself 3 months on average. You can pick up almost everything. Scalping means you trade, buy and sell and close the order within 2 hours. Okay, now it's about 4 o'clock. So you do a buy order at 4 o'clock. By 6 o'clock you should close the order. And one day you maybe can trade 20 to 30 orders. One order $2. 10 days 30 orders is $60 US. $60 a day is considered very good. Okay, let's say your capital is 1,000 is 6%, right? So don't be greedy. One day you can make 1 to 2% in scalping. That's considered very good. Yeah, a lot of fund manager, they are far from you. Okay, they're not even 1 year can make 3%. You one day make 3 to 6%. Don't over excited. Okay, you can make 1 to 2%. I think you are almost close to God trader. All right. Then this is the news. You see, Hong Kong and Shanghai Bank lost about 200 million in 1 day. Ladies and gentlemen, Hong Kong and Shanghai Bank have a lot of traders. So all the CFA, senior CFA, all the A, all the C, all the F. All right. Why they lost so much money? Think. A lot of CFA losing money. I told you, whatever they learned 10 years, 5 years ago, all scrap. Because today world is different. Today financial world is totally different. Pre-COVID-19 and post-COVID-19 already different. 2020 and 2019 again is a different. 2019 and 2018 again is a different. So if you learn a skill in 2015, 16, then you forget about it, throw the whole book, burn it. Okay? Relearn. No choice. Market keep on changing. Last time you trade with human, now you trade with robot, right? Because the opposite side is a robot, high frequency trade, server. Okay, so the price move like this. Drop, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. This is how high frequency trade is. If you don't know, ask me. Okay, now you're not fighting with human, you're fighting with AI. You're fighting with this and that, but the AI is still long way to go. Okay, only few top brokerage firm can able to do that. The small flyer, forget about it. Our AI is still at very preliminary range stage, and they cannot make good money. They only use that as a gimmick to do marketing. All right. Second news. Now, Federal Reserve will buy junk bond. You see, now even US government need to buy junk bond. They don't want to buy first grade bond, second grade bond. It's a junk. Why junk? They like junk because US a lot of junk. Anyway, yeah, a lot of junk bond. That's why US, why they need to buy the junk? Because a lot of company become a junk. If they don't support the company buy the fund, then I can see 10% of the top company in US collapse because no money, no cash flow. Right? Covid-19, business not running, manufacturing stop, the market is no demand, this and that. How they going to survive? All right. So now we are already into a junk bond market, financial world. Okay. Then if this still not success, Federal Reserve will print more money to support junk bond, double junk bond. Okay. Let's say you have a C++ or C minus, okay, or BB or whatever. Now they will create DD and EE because more and more junk there. Okay. So don't think this market is very easy to handle. I can tell you, financial world, okay, the world already changing. Okay, so if you are in manufacturing, I can tell you, you have big problem. Okay, your asset not worth the money, your product not worth the market, your cost not worth the cost. Okay, your costing not worth the costing. So everybody will be in shift of economic model. Okay, last time you got some American model, whatever model, okay, all is collapsed. All model is not workable because now already enter a new junk bond world. We call junk bond world. Okay, too much money floating around in the world. Okay, so before we close, we tell you today, yes, we need to prepare ourselves so tomorrow will be better. Next video we will talk about the transformations of financial or income transformations. Maybe I can do that by next week. Yeah? This video called income transformation. How you change your current income stream to a future income stream. All right. So there is my next video that planned for next week. All right. So this is my contact. So I'm financial trading mentor as well as coach. I provide English and Mandarin class. This is my website, this and that. Then I also been teaching more than 25 countries online and also offline. For Asia, some few years ago is I'm in class, but these 2 years more to online. Yeah. So student from Somalia, you see I put the word Somalia. Somalia also have a lot of students from there. Ghana also from few students from there. There's African state, a lot of inquiry from Uganda, Zimbabwe, Rwanda and so forth. Okay, from Asian market, yeah, normal, many countries, Dubai, okay, they speak good English, all right. Then of course UK, US and the rest, China. Australia. All this is my student group area. So I keep on teach a lot of people how to do financial trading from index, from currency, from binary options. But not option. Why I don't really like options is because stock option is not my favor because a lot of fundamental is not clear enough. Then the index option, okay, fine, but index option keep on changing. So we trade binary option as well as in futures. So it's more related, more current, and more on spot. So thank you so much for everybody for your time. So this is my brief introduction post COVID-19. What to trade? What to trade? Yeah, this is very important to understand what is the product to trade. Don't trade the old product and keep on stuck your money there, like unit trust and so forth. Thank you so much again, and this video will be posted to my website, YouTube and so forth. Just like and share. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Bye.